Jaundice at Home is a digital platform designed to support healthcare professionals. The project received funding from the European Innovation Council in the Horizon Europe programme. Jaundice at Home connects directly to users of the Picterus Jaundice Pro app by sending results in real time, allowing easy follow-up of newborns in a home setting. The Jaundice at Home platform allows for remote patient monitoring, which is especially useful when jaundice screening is carried out in a home setting. By using the Jaundice at Home platform, you will have access to an overview of all of the newborns in an organisation, their results history, visualise the results on the American Academy of Pediatrics nomogram, and to request scans to be taken by the parent or caregiver. First off, you need to log in to the Jaundice at Home platform. You'll receive an invitation to join your organisation from an administrator, or contact Picterus directly if you would like to create an independent Jaundice at Home account. Follow the login instructions to access the Jaundice at Home platform. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard, which gives you an overview of the newborns registered in your organisation. There are two ways to invite a parent or caregiver of a newborn to connect with your organisation. The first option is to invite the parent or caregiver to connect by having them scan a unique QR code for your organisation using their smartphone. This will invite them to download the Picterus Jaundice Pro app on their phone and will link the app to your organisation directly. If you do this, then the newborn profile can be made on the parent's smartphone via the Picterus Jaundice Pro app. The second option is to click on the Invite Parent Caregiver button on the top right of the screen to connect the parent or caregiver with your organisation. By clicking that button, you'll bring up a screen that looks like this. Fill in the contact information for the parent or caregiver, as well as the newborn profile information for the newborn. Make sure that this information is correct, as it can affect the results. When you're finished, press the Send Invitation button at the bottom of the screen to send an email to the parent or caregiver so that they can connect to your organisation. Once the parent or caregiver accepts the invitation, the newborn will appear on the dashboard. The dashboard can be accessed by clicking on the Patients icon on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Now we're back on the dashboard where you have an overview of newborns. Let's look at a newborn profile. You can access any newborn profile simply by clicking on that newborn from the list. When you enter a newborn profile, you'll see a summary of the newborn's information on the left-hand side. Picterus Jaundice Pro results are displayed both as a table format on the bottom of the screen and as points on a chart. You can also click on individual points on the chart to see the result in more detail. The chart shows reference lines which are based on the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines and are adjusted according to the gestational age of the newborn. You can request a new scan to be made by clicking on the button on the newborn profile. This will send an alert to the registered parent or caregiver. The interpretation of Picterus Jaundice Pro results presented in Jaundice at Home should never be used as the sole basis for assessment, diagnosis or treatment decisions of neonatal jaundice. Any follow-up actions remain the sole responsibility of the user and should be guided by clinical judgment. Users should never delay seeking medical advice, discontinue treatment, or disregard professional medical recommendations based on the information provided by Jaundice at Home. Thank you for listening.